Okay, this is how I make red pepper flakes, green pepper flakes from my garden and save myself a whopping $2.50 every year. So it's really paying off, the big garden. Just kidding. So first you have to start from the baby seed, and then I grow those in my house under grow lights. Start those in February. Around the frost date, May, maybe a little before then, we'll plant them in the ground. Now it is August. I pick all the peppers. Look at these guys. Okay, but look at some of these jalapenos. That is a red hot jalapeno. He's gonna be way too hot to eat. So these jalapenos are also going to turn into flakes and be dried and tasty and go in soups. There's the last of the cayenne peppers. So there's all the jalapenos. One plant I got like 30 off of. Look at that good looking guy. I wash all the peppers. And then I slice off the tops. If they're kind of big, I'll also slice them down the middle so they can dry better. This year my cayenne peppers were kind of small. I planted a different variety last year and they were like double this size. So that's kind of a bummer. So if they're big, I'll slice them down the middle so that they can dry better. All done. Then I put them in the dryer overnight on the fruits and veggies setting till they're crispy. I've started to do it outside because dang, I'm dying. The powder like gets into the air, makes me sneeze, makes my eyes water, my nose run. It's like an attack. See why it's used as a freaking weapon? I might be the wrong person to do this. I'm gonna die. Then once they're dry and crispy, throw them in the blender to break them up. If I left them in the blender for a lot longer, they could turn into powder. I kind of like them a little chunkier. Last year, I've hand ground them, and that just is so hard. So this year, I'm gonna dry them outside and blend them outside, just to save myself, so I don't die. Super easy, but it's a peek into what I do with my garden. There's some honeybees. Get in there, bee. Well, I don't think you're a bee. Thanks, bees.